Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install the Zoom client on your Windows 11 computer. So to do that, first of all, open your browser. In my case, I'm using the Google Chrome right now. And in the search box, just type ZOOM, that's Zoom, and type Zoom download. And in the first result in Google, you can see that zoom.us, and you need to click on the first result. And here you're gonna scroll down, and here you can see the download 64-bit option over here, and download 32-bit as well. But my system is running on 64-bit architecture, so I'm clicking on download on 64-bit version. And in the downloads you can see that the Zoom installer is downloading, but I've already downloaded that, so I'm doing cancel. And for the downloaded Zoom installer executable file, I need to click on the show in folder option, and here you can see the Zoom installer in my download folder. And right now I need to double click on it, and here you can see the Zoom workspace has been started installing, and this is now in the initialized state. So let's wait and see how long it takes. Here you can see that the Zoom installer has been finished installing, and now is on its first user interface. Here you can see this is the home button over here, and we successfully installed the Zoom workspace. So yep, this is the very easiest way to install the Zoom workspace, and this is how we can successfully install the Zoom workspace. Thank you for watching.